How to record on YouTube TV DVR. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about how YouTube TV DVR can be used to record anything and everything that we desire. So, if you want to actually start going ahead and recording on your TV, here's what you're going to do. We are going to go ahead and next to a show that you want to record, it's going to say add. So any show that you see right beside it, it's just going to show you a plus icon. It might not even say add, it's just going to show you a plus icon. And then all the current and upcoming airings of that show will be recorded and added to your library. And if you want to remove it, the same place where it says add, just click on remove, and all the things that were recorded will be removed. That is basically how you can start recording the previous versions of TV shows or, anything that you want on YouTube TV DVR. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.